Are you someone who's experiencing stress on a daily basis? Are you stressed right now as you watch this video? Then this session is just for you.
So actually what we say stress is, evolutionarily speaking, is our natural response to do something. Without stress, you won't do something. So when we have a threat, when we have a threat, if we didn't have stress, we are most likely going to sit there, think about the threat until the threat takes us over. Stress is what helps you to act before you think. So think of this as your capacity. Each glass, each vessel will have a capacity. Because of stress, my capacity is going to be full. And as I fill up, this stress is going to overflow. So it's not only me, how am I impacting people around me? Am I getting angry? Am I being at this place of where I don't care about other people, I'm just dismissing? If there is an impact because of my stress to other people, that might be another sign. So it's not only me, it's also what is the impact this is having around people. Another question to you, how long does it take for a habit to develop?
To my understanding, 21 days.
Okay, that's a myth.
Really?
It takes longer than that, and I can't remember what university, but there was a study done, and they took about 96 or 100 people, did a study, and what they realized is that it takes about days, right? But you can't say it's because in the study what they found is that it takes anywhere between days to something like that. So months. Failure is inevitable in life. That stress is inevitable, so you are going to face it. Preparing for that is one thing. Working towards avoiding it is a different thing. No one is beyond help. And so if you're extremely stressed and you're feeling at a place that you can't manage, there is always help, and just reach out. And realize that growth and learning to deal with stress is a process. And so just trust the process and be patient with yourself.